Well, another pumpkin spice review here. Hostess pumpkin spice Twinkies, limited edition. I thought the filling would have been like orange, but it's just like looks just like regular Twinkies. It probably tastes like pumpkin spice, but I haven't done a review of Twinkies in quite some time. Hasn't really been any new Twinkies this year, so I don't know the last time I reviewed Twinkies. I think it might have been last year at some point. I don't know. So it looks just like a normal Twinkie. There's nothing. Twinkies are really good, even if they're regular Twinkies. Oh, I reviewed the banana Twinkies. I forgot. I reviewed the banana Twinkies. But, I haven't reviewed a Twinkie flavor in a long time, though, besides the banana Twinkie. Have you heard that Smucker's bought Hostess? So, or whatever company owns Hostess. So that means that maybe we're going to see like a Smucker's flavor Twinkie maybe one day in the future. Like maybe like the strawberry jam and the raspberry jam Twinkies. Those would be really good. I'll give these a 7 out of 10 piece.